360 ONE X is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Low-state stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the ONE X anywhere, and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is Time Shift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. With stabilized 360, there are no limits. Mark off the best parts of your shot in any direction. The ONE X connects them with ultra-smooth camera movements. Smart Track lets you follow any subject and keep it steady in center frame. Bullet time puts you in the heart of the action. It's epic and easy. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles. The ONE X is a new way to shoot. Time and perspective are both yours to shape. Don't just capture the moment, own it.
This is Fusion. It's arguably the most versatile creative tool ever made. Fusion has 2 lenses, one on the front, one on the back.
It's like having multiple cameras shooting in all different directions. You're able to get beautiful 5.2K footage out of this compact device that can fit in your pocket. As GoPro's new VR camera, Fusion is going to let people capture angles that haven't been possible before.
It's waterproof, it's mountable, it's got voice control, it works with the GoPro app. It's a GoPro.
The magic behind Fusion is turning multiple images into a single spherical image. We designed the camera with offset lenses for optimal stitching. With the stitch lines taken care of, you're free to enjoy your experience.
The stabilization feature on Fusion is amazing. It's got gimbal-like stabilization, but it's built into the camera.
Your footage is stabilized automatically, so you can relive the experience just as you remember it.
Fusion is not just a VR camera. One of the most exciting aspects of Fusion is what we call overcapture.
Overcapture is when you take spherical content and frame it to traditional video.
You can turn the camera around in ways that was never possible before with traditional GoPros. You're capturing everything at once, and then just pick and choose the different angles you want after the fact.
With one camera, you can capture everything, and the GoPro app makes it easier than ever to choose your shots and direct your story later. With Fusion, you can achieve stunning visual effects like angel view, little planet, panoflow, and time shift. Fusion is the next kind of evolution of storytelling at GoPro. Immersive VR, super stabilized footage, stunning visual effects, and a new way of creating called overcapture.
Fusion's the first of its kind. This is ultimately where cameras are headed. You shouldn't have to point at what you want to film. You should just be able to film what you're experiencing. And Fusion makes that possible.
Welcome to the world of 360 interactive video that is taking content to new heights. Here at Kodak PixPro, we're dedicated to bringing new and innovative technology to market, and our family of 360 VR cameras is a great example of just that. Meet the Orbit 360 4K camera, a unique design and answer to all-in-one 360 VR, with two fixed focus lenses housed in a futuristic and compact body. This model is actually 3 cameras in one. Use the front lens alone for 4K ultra-wide 197-degree traditional videos, the back slightly larger lens for dome or fisheye mode, or use the 2 lenses in tandem for fully interactive 360 photos and videos that can be stitched together in camera and uploaded to social media right away, or use our free software for 4K stitching. The Orbit 360 4K is sold in 2 bundle packs that give you plenty of accessories, allowing you to use the 360 camera right out of the box, which is an incredible value. Add Facebook and YouTube compatibility to share your photos and videos on the go, and you'll be the next social media star. Each pack comes standard with a camera, rechargeable lithium-ion battery, AC adapter and charging dock, USB cable, clear lens and rubber protective covers, mini Bluetooth remote control, camera case, and cleaning cloth. This camera takes a micro SD card up to 256 gigabytes for plenty of room to store your 4K files. The Orbit 360 is equipped with a stereo mic input, Bluetooth, NFC, and Wi-Fi enabled for added convenience. With the ability to shoot in burst mode, time-lapse, loop recording, and more, this 360 camera gives you plenty of options for every occasion in capturing what you love to do from every angle. To learn more, visit us at kodakpixpro.com. Don't forget to share your photos and videos with us and tell your story.
What if you never had to worry about getting the shot? What if you could always get the shot? Check out Rilo, the camera that lets you capture the world in 360 degrees. Rilo records video in every direction at once, so you can compose the perfect shot and focus on the subject you want after you finish recording. Capturing all 360 degrees lets us do some incredible things, like cinema quality stabilization, so your videos never feel handheld. With front back, you won't miss a moment. Your point of view and your reactions can be in the same frame. And adding dynamic movement is as easy as dropping points throughout your video. Rilo will handle the rest. But what if your subject is moving? Well, you can select it, and the Rilo app will track it in frame. Want to visit another world? Just pinch to see a new perspective with Rilo Tiny Planet. Stay in the moment, capture everything. Available now.